Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I want to be talk to you about getting into affiliate marketing and why I think this is the best time to actually get involved with affiliate marketing. Now, okay, I'm a little biased. I've actually been involved in affiliate marketing for now over 10 years, or coming on for 10 years now. So yes, I'm a little biased, but also, I'm filming this video now when we're kind of in the heart of this COVID-19 pandemic. So we're all sort of stuck in our homes a little bit, yeah? I mean, we may be going back to work, we may not. We're very unsure, whereas the internet's never going to go away. And affiliate marketing, I don't believe, is ever going to go away. You know, and if you don't understand what I'm talking about, affiliate marketing, in essence, is just selling somebody else's product, which is the beauty of it. Somebody else has gone out there. They've done all the hard work. They've done all the testing. They've tested the sales videos. They've tested the sales page. They've tested the colors. They've tested even like how many people you need to get to a certain page in order to get a sale. So they've done all of that. They've done all the hard work for you. All you have to do now is sell their product, get a commission. Some of them give you 50% commission. Some of them give you 100% commission, you know, and get people to it. So we call it online, we call it traffic, you know. So that's it, really. That's the beauty of it, you know. Somebody else has gone out and done it. And online, you can practically sell anything. I advise you to sell digital products because you don't have to store anything. They're quick to deliver. People don't have to wait. If they want something, they've seen it, they like it, they buy it, they can have it on their computer watching it straight away. You know, most people that do really well in this industry are selling some sort of training, some sort of digital training. That's the most lucrative, you know, and especially in this time, you know. If you're getting involved in affiliate marketing, these are the things you need. You need a product. You need a decent product, something that you would personally buy, something that you'd be happy to like let your best friend use. Yeah, so to sell the things that you love. So actually, if I was you, I would buy the product, whatever you're going to sell. I mean, you know, if you're going to sell something, buy it, use it, see that you like it, and then it's easier to sell these things because you're selling it with passion. Yeah. So that's the first thing. Make sure you got a good product, and especially if you're doing something like with affiliate marketing, a lot of these they've got a lot of very good done for you products where they do all the hard work, they do all the email stuff, writing of emails, follow up. And if you're a newbie, you don't want to have to be worrying about things like that. What I'm talking about here, when I'm talking about getting started in affiliate marketing, I'm talking about the quickest way for somebody who's fresh, who's what we call a newbie and wants to just get in this, get started and get making some money. This is what I'm talking about, you know. So you get a product that practically does everything for you. You know, they source the products, you know, they also get a product. I think most of the good ones have got what we call two-step marketing. So they sell a first product, which is kind of a lower priced one, you know, and then they sell a back end product, a higher priced one. So you can then make a commission up to $1,000 plus on these types of products, and that's what makes sense. Because if you're going to sell a product, you're going to pay for traffic, traffic is just people to go and look at this product, look at their sales page. You want to be making some money from this. You want to be making at least $1,000, because then you can afford to spend some money on advertising. If I know I'm going to make $1,000 from a sale, I can potentially spend $1,000 on traffic. But you wouldn't need to spend $1,000 on traffic if you've got a good product, you know. So you get a two-step product, yeah, where the first step is kind of a low priced between $10 and $50, and then this second product, the higher end product, is $1,000 plus, and you're making the commission on that. Your job really, when you get started in affiliate marketing, is just to get people in the front door, just to get traffic. Two ways to get traffic is either free, which takes time, takes some training. I've got a lot of like kind of traffic stuff. I'm telling you about what free traffic and paid traffic is on my YouTube channel. So, you know, if you want to go and have a look on the channel and see what you can find on there. I've got loads of training on there about free and paid traffic. But if you're a newbie, you want the quickest bang for your buck, the quickest return, then do a little bit of paid traffic. You know, you want to get to a place where you're potentially spending $10 on traffic and making maybe $100 back. That's where we want to get to, you know. And if you get some good, decent paid traffic, that you can do that with a good product as well. So that's your job. When you get started in affiliate marketing, find the products. The products you're probably going to find as a beginner, most people go to a place called ClickBank. Yeah, because there's loads of products on there. Most people that produce any decent product will be selling it on ClickBank, and they'll be allowing you to sell it. And they want you to sell it. They want you to go out there and sell it for them. They're happy to give you 50% because you're helping them sell their product. Yeah, so it makes sense. And there's so many products over there. Or there's a product that I promote. I mean, if you want to have a look at it, I'll leave links below this. There'll be a link below this video. Can have a look at that again because it's newbie friendly and it ticks all the boxes. I only promote products that do those two things because people initially, they just want to get started. They just want to make some money before you get on to learning all the technical stuff and all the kind of more advanced stuff. You just want to get started and get making some money. And so these are the types of products I promote that you can start using them, pay a little bit for some traffic, get people to it, and get sales. And so that's the thing. You need a good product, and then secondly, you need good traffic. And when you get a decent product, they actually show you where to get traffic as well. In fact, they allow you to use the traffic that they're using if it's a decent product. So that's why I feel this is the best time to get started in affiliate marketing. You don't have to worry about, I got to go out there and produce a product. I got to film it. I got to write it or whatever. Just piggy bank off the hard work of someone else. And maybe later on, when you get to $5,000, $10,000 a month, when you get to that place, then you might think, you know what? I don't want to have 50% of a product. I want the whole 100%. I'll make my own product. But that's later down the line. We're talking about getting started in affiliate marketing. And those are the two main things that you need. So listen, I do hope this helped. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, then please just take a second and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to share it with anyone you think might get some value from it as well, please also do that. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, if you're on YouTube, then just take a second to subscribe as well and hit the notification bell as well. All right. Thanks again for listening. Till next time, you have a great evening. Take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.